Hello, and welcome to our quiz session. Let's dive into some recent events and test your knowledge. Here are your questions. Question 1. Which ministry recently launched the National Apprenticeship and Training Scheme NATS 2.0 portal? Options: A. Ministry of Urban Development. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Education. D. Ministry of Defense. Answer: C. Ministry of Education. Question 2. Ashwani Ponappa, who recently announced her retirement, is associated with which sports? Options: A. Football. B. Hockey. C. Table tennis. D. Badminton. Answer: D. Badminton. Question 3. Golan Heights, recently seen in the news, is located in which country? Options: A. Iraq. B. Syria. C. Yemen. D. Oman. Answer: B. Syria. Question 4. Which country has developed a nanomagnetogenetic interface for neurodynamics nanomind technology? Options: A. UK. B. France. C. South Korea. D. Ukraine. Answer: C. South Korea. Question 5. Which country hosts the International Air Exercise, Tarang Shakti 2024? Options: A. UK. B. India. C. Germany. D. France. Answer: B. India. Question 6. Hulongapur Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Options: A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Assam. D. Odisha. Answer: C. Assam. Question 7. Which ministry recently introduced Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak 2024 in Lok Sabha? Options: A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Civil Aviation. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Power. Answer: B. Ministry of Civil Aviation. Question 8. What is the theme of World Lung Cancer Day 2024? Options: A. A breath of prevention is better than expectation on long-term survival. B. Measures to prevent lung cancer. C. Care for your lungs. D. Close the care gap. Everyone deserves access to cancer care. Answer: D. Close the care gap. Everyone deserves access to cancer care. Question 9. Anshuman Gaikwad, who recently passed away, was associated with which sports? Options: A. Cricket. B. Football. C. Hockey. D. Boxing. Answer: A. Cricket. Question 10. What is the main objective of Open Market Sales Scheme OMSS recently seen in news? Options: A. To ensure food security and control market prices during lean seasons. B. To increase food grain production. C. To reduce food grain prices globally. D. To reduce food grain consumption. Answer: A. To ensure food security and control market prices during lean seasons. Question 11. Which state government recently launched Mukhyamantri Mayan Samman Yojana? Options: A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Haryana. Answer: B. Jharkhand. Question 12. Which two Indians have been selected for Axiom 4 mission recently? Options: A. Shubhanshu Shukla and Prasant Balakrishnan Nair. B. Mehar Singh and Deepak Chandra. C. Pradeep Kumar Yadav and Krishna Kumar. D. Surya Kant and Vikram Singh. Answer: A. Shubhanshu Shukla and Prasant Balakrishnan Nair. Question 13. Which institution recently launched Nivahika, web portal for data management? Options: A. NIT Calicut. B. NIT Patna. C. IIT Delhi. D. IIT Kanpur. Answer: A. NIT Calicut. Question 14. Maritime partnership exercise, recently seen in the news, was conducted between which two countries? Options: A. China and India. B. India and Egypt. C. Russia and India. D. US and India. Answer: C. Russia and India. Question 15. Which state recently became the first in India to buy all crops from farmers at MSP? Options: A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Bihar. Answer: A. Haryana. Question 16. Which country hosted the exercise Pitch Black 2024? Options: A. Russia. B. China. C. Australia. D. Japan. Answer: C. Australia. Question 17. Kodarma Thermal Power Station, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Options: A. Odisha. B. Jharkhand. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. Answer: B. Jharkhand. Question 18. Which day is celebrated as National Handloom Day every year? Options: A. The 5th of August. B. The 6th of August. C. The 7th of August. D. The 8th of August. Answer: C. The 7th of August. Question 19. What is C-180J Super Hercules recently seen in news? Options: A. Air-to-air beyond visual range missile. B. Nuclear ballistic submarine. C. Turboprop military transport aircraft. D. Heavy lift helicopter. Answer: C. Turboprop military transport aircraft. Question 20. Adichunchanagiri Peacock Sanctuary, recently seen in news, is located in which state? Options: A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. Answer: D. Karnataka. That concludes our quiz. How many did you get right? Whether you aced it or learned something new, thank you for joining us. Keep your curiosity alive, and until next time, stay informed.